Did you know some people literally absorb others' physical energy without realizing it? It's called kinetic empathy, and it happens when your mirror neurons go into overdrive. These highly sensitive people unconsciously copy everything around them. They automatically match strangers' walking pace on the street, mirror defensive postures during tense conversations, even feel physically drained after being around stressed people. Here's the shocking part. Their brains process others' movements as their own personal experience. They're literally feeling someone else's emotions through body language. This makes them perfect targets for energy vampires who exploit this unconscious mirroring. Ever felt sudden fatigue after a normal conversation? Unexplained mood swings after social events? Your body might be absorbing emotional states you didn't even notice. The good news is, once you recognize kinetic empathy, you can choose which energies to absorb. Awareness breaks the unconscious pattern and gives you back control.